Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to hop on here and share with you some online platforms that provide for work remotely regardless of where you live. So firstly, let's look at trulyremote.co. So you want to type in trulyremote.co in Google and it will take you to this page. As we can see immediately from their statement, work remotely from anywhere. We know that this site is primarily focused on providing employment opportunities that are remote and that allow you to work no matter your location. So we just want to scroll down to look at some of the openings that they have available. And as we scroll down, we can see that there is an incubator general manager opening anywhere, content marketing lead, sales representative. And if you continue to scroll further, you will see various other opportunities that are available. So I'm just going to select the content marketing lead. And let's look and see what are some of the requirements for this position. In order to function in this role, they're saying that you must be able to create and execute an inbound content strategy, manage a team of freelance writers, developers, develop and edit a variety of content assets, manage multiple projects and competing priorities, work with influencers, collaborate with key leaders, drive thought leadership, research, and contribute creative ideas to support key content goals, amongst others. Some of the requirements for this position are you are an accomplished content marketer, you are a strategic thinker, you are an experienced leader. You must have 5 or more years of experience in content, a BA in marketing, branding, or similar or equivalent experience activating social media and paid marketing channels, amongst others. Some of the benefits include healthcare plan, medical, dental, and vision, paid time off, family leave, work from home, co-working membership, competitive salary, free food and snacks, best-in-class technology, training and development, and lots more. So if you think that the requirements are such that you are able to meet them, then you should go ahead and make yourself available to apply for this position. So I'm just going to hit the back button and go on the main page. And let's look at the requirements for the sales representative. Once you have selected it, again, it takes you to this page. As we scroll down, we can see that this company is a fast-moving, award-winning company that focuses on making email management as easy and enjoyable as it can be. The role of the sales representative at Mailbird, you will be the primary person responsible for prospecting and closing partnership agreements with a network of resellers worldwide. Some of the job requirements include conducting market research, reaching out to prospects, making demo calls, managing relationships and existing partners, tracking sales performance, amongst others. What they are looking for is at least 3 or more years minimum experience in sales and business development with a focus on selling software products. In addition to English, you should be fluent in at least one other language. You should have strong ability to handle objections and close deals. Communication and interpersonal skills is important, as well as time management and organizational skills, amongst others. Some of the benefits of this position include it is a competitive contractor pay. There's 40 plus paid days off, flexible hours, and freedom within the job, various bonuses based on performance, team building, exercises, and a chance to work with an exceptional international team that is highly productive, creative, and fun. So once again, if you think you satisfy these requirements or you have an interest in this position, you should shoot your shot and make your application known to this company. Again, these jobs are provided by trulyremote.co. So we're going to move on to another remote employment online platform is We Work Remotely. WeWorkRemotely.com. So you're going to type in that in your URL or in Google and it will take you straight to their homepage. And you can just begin to scroll down and you will see the work from home opportunities and opportunities where you can work regardless of where you are living. So already we are seeing that there is a postdoctoral data partner, it's a contractual position, freelance social media management, video editor, ghostwriter. So there are lots of remote employment opportunities available at We Work Remotely. So I'm just going to select one and let's see what are some of the requirements for the position. So I'm going to select the postdoctoral data partner. And we can see that they are looking for individuals who are experts in their fields who can help train the next generation of generative AI models. If you are interested in the AI space, have a PhD in your field, and are looking for a flexible learning opportunity, they would love to hear from you. You will be required to train generative AI models by writing and answering prompts in your area of expertise. You need to have at least a PhD degree in one of the following areas: computer science, mathematics, natural science, social science, strong writing skills, and the ability to work flexible hours. Pay and duration, compensation is $40 to $50 per hour. Duration a minimum of 3 weeks with possibility of further work. And again, the location is remote. So they have some specific requirements for this position. But if you meet those requirements, you should go right ahead and make your application for this remote postdoctoral data partner. We're moving right along to the other online platform that provides for remote employment anywhere. And this platform is called Nodesk.co, Nodesk. So you can type in Nodesk in Google and it should take you directly to this page, or typing in your URL Nodesk.co. And as we can see from their statement immediately, where everyone works remote. So we know that there is a commitment to remote employment with this online platform. So you can scroll through and learn more about this platform and the services that they offer. We can just select here to find a job, and it should provide us with the various openings. So we see there's a software engineer opening, remote worldwide, is a full-time position. You earn around 135K to 160K per year. There's an account executive, again, worldwide, 40K to 55K, and that's in pounds. Software engineer, customer support specialist. In particular, they are looking for a German speaker. There are a lot of remote employment opportunities that are worldwide that are featured on this platform. So I'm just going to select one to show what are some of the requirements for a position with this company. I'm going to select the account executive. The job description states the customer engagement officer is responsible for managing the customer journey through the early stages. In this role, you will work cross-functionally in the Nucal environment, including marketing, product support, migration, and engineering. In this role, you will be responsible for engaging with prospective customers through various channels, including phone, email, and video demos. Building an understanding of the clinic's needs, you will facilitate the sign-up process, conduct webinars to demonstrate Nucal's features and benefits to business owners and decision makers, amongst others. Some of the experience required for this position: strong customer relationship skills, ability to be self-driven, time management skills, analytical skills, fluency in English. Some of the benefits: it's a fully remote position and they offer an amazing establishment team culture that connects all the team digitally. They offer competitive packages along with other benefits. So if again you believe that you satisfy these requirements or you have an interest in this type of employment, you should make your application to this company. We're going to move right on to the last online platform that guarantees remote employment anywhere, and that's remoteok.com. So you want to type in remoteok.com in your URL or in Google, and it should take you to this page. And as we can see, find a remote job, work from anywhere. So in the search bar, you can specify what type of remote job you are looking for. But I'm just going to scroll through and see what's available right now remotely. So I'm seeing there's a PHP developer. It's a worldwide position. Software engineer, platform engineer. So there are a lot of employment remote opportunities available worldwide on this platform. So again, I hope you continue to explore these 4 work from home online platforms to find a job that is suitable for you to help you supplement your income or even make it your primary source of earnings. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.